I am Saurabh Pandey, pursuing Bachelor of Business Administration, School of Business Management, Chhatrapati Sahu Ji Maharaj University, Government of Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur in India. My favorite subject is income tax and my favorite topic is salary. Salary section under 17. The meaning of salary for the purpose of Income Tax Act 1961 will be included both monetary payment, example basic salary, bonus, commission, etc., as well as non-monetary facility, example housing, accommodation, medical facility, interest free loan, etc. Salary under 17 included the following. First one is wages, any annuity or pension, any gratuity, any fees, commission, perquisites or profits in lieu for any additional to salary or wages, any advance of salary, any payment received in respect or a period of non-availed him, that is a leave salary, leave encashment, provident fund the portion of any acquisition of any previous for the balance at the credit of the employee participating in a recognized provident fund to the extent it is a taxable transferred balance recognized provident fund to the extent it is a taxable the contribution made by the central government of the employer in a previous year for the account of an employer under a pension scheme referred in a section 86 CD. First one is wages. Wages means a fixed regular payment earned work or a service. The word wages, salary, basic salary are used inchangeable. Moreover, the payment in the form of a bonus, allowance, etc. under the employee are also included within the meaning of a salary. Allowance, different types of allowances given by the employee by their employer. Generally, allowances are given to employees to meet some particular requirement like house rent, expenses on uniform, convenience, etc. Under the Income Tax 1961, allowance is taxable on due on a receipt basis, whichever is earlier. Basic type of allowances normally wage are discussed below. First one is allowances, fully taxable, partially taxable, fully exempt. Fully taxable, entertainment allowance, dearance allowance, overtime allowance, fixed medical allowance, city compensatory allowance to meet increased cost of living in cities. Next one is interim allowance, servant allowance, project allowance, tiffin allowance, any other cash allowance, warden allowance, non-participating transport allowance to employ other blind. Next one is partially taxable, special allowance, section 10 subsection 14. Next one is fully exempt, allowance paid by the United Allowance Organized, compensatory allowance received by the judge. Mm, and received by the judge. Allowance are fully taxable under the section 10 13 1. Under the section 13(1), what is a special compensatory to meet their allowances are: number one is traveling allowance. Any allowances granted to meet travel on a tour or transfer, traveling allowance. Explanation: traveling granted to meet the cost of travel transfer include any sum paid in a connection with the transfer, packaging, their transportation, personal effect. Daily allowances to meet ordinary daily charges of employee on account absence to their convenience allowance. Any convenience granted to meet the expenditure incurred by the convenience in performance the duties or any other convenience. Next one is helper. Any helper granted to meet the incurred of provident such as helper engaged by performance of the duties of an employment of profit helper. Next one is research. Any allowances granted to encouraging the academic research of the training pursuits educational research. Second one is allowances prescribed by the purpose of section 10(14). Third one, second. First one is any allowances compensatory, special compensatory hilly area rupees are 800 to 300 per month. In border, yes. Second one is border area allowance or remote locality allowance or difficult. These 1300 or 1100 or per 2 200 per month. Third one is special compensatory travel area schedule allowance 200 per month. Fourth is working in any transport allowance 70% of 10,000 per month. Fifth one is children education allowance 100 rupee per month per child up to maximum of 2 children. Sixth one is hostel expenditure allowance 300 per month per maximum of 2 children. Compensatory field allowance special specified in state 2600 per month. Eighth one is a compensatory modified field area allowance 1000 per month. Ninth one counter insurgency allowance 319 per month. Eighth one is a transport allowance 3200 per month. 12 underground allowance granted an employee work in a unconventional unnatural climate in underground minus 8000 per month. Highly altitude allowance 1060 per month 1600 per month 15000 feet. Next one is any special allowances in a nature special compensatory highly active field area allowance 4200 per month. Last one is Iceland duty allowance granted to the member or any armed forces to Andaman and Nicobar Lakshadweep group of Iceland. In amount is 3250 per month. Thank you.